Hi, my lovely angels. How are you all? Do you all love animals? Can you name a few animals that live in the forest? Yes, the lion, the tiger, the monkey, the bear, the rabbit, etc. I am going to tell you a beautiful story about these animals. Come on, I shall take you all to a forest. Are you ready? Once upon a time, in a forest, all the animals gathered near a tree.
I don't know why we stay in the same place all our lives.
Where else do you want to stay? I think the tiger wants to move to a different place.
No,
Then what is your intention?
I only want to visit new places.
That's a good idea. But shouldn't we seek permission from a lion king? Right. You're too wise for your size. We must definitely ask permission.
Then all the animals went to the king and kept forth their request.
Oh, that's a good idea. Even I am bored staying in the same place. I will also join you all. Let's all have a good time.
All the animals began the journey and were enjoying it till they reached a desert.
I can't even find a tree to rest.
At a distance, they saw a new creature. All the animals went near it to know what its name was.
Hey, weird creature, what is your name? I have never seen you.
He politely replied,
Hello, everyone. I'm a camel. Welcome you all to the desert. Why does he have a hill on his back?
All the animals began laughing.
Hey, monkey, if you want to rest, go and lie down on him.
On hearing this, all the animals started teasing the camel. A few days passed and the climate became extremely hot. All of them were very thirsty and were looking for water everywhere but couldn't find it anywhere. They noticed that the camels alone were sitting and relaxing without any hassle. On seeing this, the tiger asked,
Don't you feel thirsty? All of us are searching for water. But how come you're sitting quietly? I know, all of you teasing my hump. We store water in there. Yes, the hump is to accumulate the liquids and the body uses it whenever we want.
all the animals felt ashamed of their behavior. They all apologized to the camel.
Oh, we are very sorry, dear camel. We are very thirsty.
The camel took the animals to the oasis. They all drank the water happily and quenched their thirst.
Thank you very much for your help and hospitality, dear camel. We have become friends now.
We shall take leave. Please visit our forest.
shall visit your home sometime. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you later.
They all went back to the forest. Dear children, what did you learn from the story? Yes, we should never make fun of the looks or the physical appearance of anyone.
Okay, thank you.